Okay, this is going to be a quick recording of how to move your U Drive over to Google Drive. If you recall, a couple of days ago, Mrs. Logston emailed everybody and said that our U Drives are going to be going away, and we're going to need to move everything over to Google Drive. Now, this might be a good opportunity for you to go through your U Drive if you've had this for a few years and delete things from your archive folder, as I have, that I haven't touched since 2017. So maybe take that opportunity now to go through things and delete old things. But if you want to keep everything, here's how you do it. So you're going to go over to Clever, make sure you're logged into Clever, and find Google Drive. It's under Home. I have mine saved up here on Favorites because I use it quite often. So you're going to click on Google Drive, and it should let you log in. So this is actually me moving my U Drive. I haven't done it yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder in here so that I can go through these things later and delete some old items. So under My Drive, I'm going to right click and create a new folder. And I'm going to name this, just for myself, I'm going to name it U Drive. You can name it whatever you want to name it, and create this folder. So here's my new folder that I just made. And it's as simple as drag and highlight everything in your U Drive, drag it over to your new folder, drop it, and it will start to upload. If you've got a lot of things in your U Drive, it is going to take a long time. So be patient. You'll see here it says starting uploads. I'll wait just a couple of seconds before I end this video so you can see kind of what it does. Down here, it will start to give you a progress bar. I would assume for me, because I've got 15 years worth of stuff in my U Drive, it's probably going to take an hour at least to move everything from my U Drive over to Google. So let's see. Let's see if I can pause this and pick it back up once it starts doing something. Okay, so it started giving me an estimate of how long it's going to take to upload, and according to this, it's going to take 30 hours. Don't be alarmed if that happens to you. You can see it's kind of moving around. It's just an estimate. Just let it go. If it really does take something like this long, I doubt it's actually going to take this long, but if it does take a very long time, just let it go overnight. It'll keep moving everything from your U Drive over to Google, and, well, 30, okay. Yeah, so that's how you do it, and just let it go and do its thing. Don't close either of these windows. Leave them open in the background. You can minimize if you want and then bring it back, and it'll keep going in the background. It's totally fine, but just let it go. I hope this doesn't actually take 34 hours, but hey, if it does, then it does. All right, if you got any questions, just let me know.